Yeah, Friday, I believe it's the 4th of August. This is one of the reasons I'm so funny about my area, the parking lot that I own. Clearly marked private property. I've got this Elite Technology Incorporated truck. There's the tag number. And here's where he's driving that heavy ass 18-wheeler all over my parking lot. It doesn't take long for an asphalt lot to be destroyed by heavy truck traffic. You scarped a couple areas here, and I saw that coming when they put this damn gate on this side of the lot and are attempting to load out in this area. That wingnut on the fork truck is their plant manager. No respect. This is document the damage, and I'm still waiting on the surveyor, and they have got no respect for the property rights of others. That's all for this one. Thank you.